Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Melt Cosmetics Blueprint Stack. I'm going to take the shade Skylight and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Whoa, that is beautiful. I love that this is like an icy shade and it's perfect for that inner corner. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend that upward. I definitely love that as an inner corner shade. I'm going to do this look and I'm going to use just the blue shades, and then I'll do another look using the non-blue shade. There are only 2 mattes in this collection, which kind of sucks. I'm going to now take the shade Dim Out, which is the matte blue in this collection. I'm going to put that on my outer corner and blend it up into my crease. That is a pigmented blue. I've never really used dark blue shadows before, so we shall see how this goes. I definitely appreciate that this is a very pigmented blue. I'm just bringing that on my lower lash line as well, just because it's going to be a full blue look, so why not? And I'm just going to continue to bring that into the crease. I'm going to very gently start to blend this out. Just the edges. And when I blend, I use windshield wiper motions, but also circular motions, because I find that's the best blend out every single edge. It actually blends very good for a darker blue. I'm just going to keep blending that shade. I'm going to take the shade King Stud. This is a metallic shade. Blend that shade out. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like this look so far, but we're gonna keep going with it. It has nothing to do with the shadows. The shadows are nice. My technique just isn't good today. There is quite a bit of fallout, actually, which is annoying. Very annoying considering now I have blue everywhere. Next, I'm going to take the shade Deadbolt. There you go. Maybe this shade will save the look. I'm just putting this on the entire lid. I'm going to take Skylight again and put that in my inner corner and my brow bone. So here's the finished eye look. I am wearing Fuse liquid lipstick by Melt, and I will be swatching all these 3 lipsticks on a different video, which I will link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I will definitely review the Melt stack, which I have used the brown shades. So far though, the blue shades are nice. I just don't like this particular look I did, but that's just my crappy skill level. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.